I'm Brandon with Fox Pools and Spas, and this is your Tuesday tip. Jumpin' Jehoshaphat! It's September! It's September! It's September! It's September! It's time to close the pool! I know you've looked at the calendar and you know that it's September. And once we pass September, Labor Day, everybody starts to think it's time to close the pool. But I got news for you. It's not time to close the pool yet. It's not time to close the pool yet. The way you will know when it is time to close your pool is you are looking for the water temperature to get to around 65 degrees or below. When the water temperature gets to 65 degrees or below is generally when the high temperature, and we're talking about just the temperature that they're going to show you on the weather every morning, when that gets to around 70, 60 degrees. So we've got a long way to go before it's time to actually close the pool. If you close the pool too soon, you're going to open it nice and green, and you don't want to do that. So if you can, if it's possible, hold out for as long as you can before you close your pool. It's not time yet. I know it's September, but it's really not time yet. I'm Brandon with Fox Pools and Spas, and this has been your Tuesday tip.
For the best name in pools and spas, think Fox.
It's September! It's September!
Okay.